a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Cryptocurrencies rebound, tracking stocks. Bitcoin climbs above $22,000. Celsius seeking to offload $500 million WBTC after debt payoff. Celsius accused of being a Ponzi scheme in lawsuit by ex-employee. FDIC probing Voyager claims it was insured by Regulator. Reddit launches Polygon-Based NFT marketplace for unique avatars. Sun Foundation sets up new $90 million ecosystem fund. Taiwanese crypto exchanges suspends trading in rupees after TDS law kicks in. US Treasury develops framework for global crypto regulations. Cryptocurrencies rebounded in Asian morning trades Friday, tracking higher US stocks, indicative of return of risk appetite amid optimism that the worst of the liquidity crunch may be over. Bitcoin climbed above $22,000 for the first time in nearly a month. Investors seem to be taking heart from the fact that Bitcoin miners are unlikely to offload their stockpile of over 40,000 BTC anytime soon amid easing liquidity crunch, and as beleaguered crypto lenders were able to repay a portion of their loans, easing fire sale woes. The upturn has come amid a now relenting Federal Reserve in its quest to tame inflation and a few mildly encouraging indicators showing the economy growing less robustly than it was earlier in this year. US stocks ended higher Thursday with all major key indices rising. Tech-heavy Nasdaq climbed over 2% higher at the close of trading, while broader market S&P 500 index ended with 1.5% gain. Crypto traders were seen abandoning bearish positions as Bitcoin prices grinded higher. According to data exchanges, liquidated over $224 million worth of positions in futures over the past 24 hours, most of which were linked to short bets. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at $22,100, up over 7% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was seen trading around $1,250, up over 6% in a similar time span, amid optimism that the network's transition to proof of stake was now imminent following the successful penultimate test. Other major altcoins too traded higher. Beleaguered crypto lender Celsius deposited $500 million in wrapped Bitcoin, a Bitcoin derivative product of the Ethereum blockchain, to crypto exchange FTX just hours after Celsius repaid its debt to the decentralized lending protocol maker and reclaimed $450 million of collateral in WBTC. Blockchain transaction data shows that a wallet linked to Celsius sent 24,463 WBTC to the FTX in various steps. Celsius had earlier reclaimed 21,963 wrapped Bitcoin tokens after it's fully paid off its debt to maker. Celsius had already redeemed a 2,000 WBTC installment of the collateral on Tuesday. According to analysis, Celsius deleveraging activity on-chain will add sell-side pressure to assets that have been used as collateral, including WBTC, which has been the firm's largest holding, pledged against its decentralized finance loans. A lawsuit filed in New York by Keyfire accuses Celsius of crypto market manipulation and failure to put in place basic accounting controls to protect customer deposits. Jason Stone, the founder and CEO of Keyfire, which was partly acquired by Celsius, took to Twitter alongside the court filing to describe the falling out between the parties. Stone, in his tweets, wrote that Celsius had lied to employees and the company had not been hedging activities, nor had they been hedging the fluctuations in crypto asset prices. The entire company's portfolio had naked exposure to the market. The lawsuit accuses Celsius, prior to Stone coming on board, of having no organized investment strategy other than desperately seeking a potential investment that could earn them more than they owed to their depositors. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation is probing claims made by crypto broker Voyager that its customer accounts were protected by that US agency in the event of a company collapse. Voyager filed for bankruptcy protection earlier this week, revealing that it had somewhere between $1 billion and $10 billion in both assets and liabilities. The FDIC, a federal regulator tasked with overseeing bank stability in the US, protects customers from losing their funds in the event of a bank collapse, insuring up to $250,000 per account. The insurance, however, usually only applies to an actual bank failure, not upon failure of the bank's client. That is, Voyager's collapse wouldn't necessarily trigger an FDIC backstop. In some of its previous advertising, Voyager appeared to be saying that its own customers would be protected by the FDIC, pointing to its accounts at New York-based Metropolitan Commercial Bank. Reddit announced the introduction of a new NFT avatar marketplace on July 7 that enables users to buy blockchain-based profile pictures for a predetermined price. The social networking platform has said that it will be launching 90 unique designs, with the total of tens of thousands of non-fungible tokens being made available for purchase during this early access period. However, collectible avatars will only be available for purchase using local currencies, such as US dollars. There isn't a crypto option at current, nor can they be auctioned off either on a secondary market like OpenSea. The marketplace is built around Polygon's blockchain due to its low-cost transaction and sustainability commitments. Alongside the Polygon marketplace, Reddit will also launch an Ethereum-compatible wallet called a Vault. The stewards of the Open Network Foundation have set up a new $90 million ecosystem fund, continuing their recent attempts to get the Telegram-founded blockchain project back into gear. The Newton Alpha Vista Fund has Vista Labs, Alpha Nons, Miners Fund, and Kilo Fund among its backers. The fund's aim is to establish new projects on Ton and promote its users as Layer 1 or base on the blockchain through advisory services and financial backing. Taiwanese crypto exchange XREX suspended INR trading on their platform on June 30th, a day before the new crypto tax rules came in. In a mail sent to its users, XREX stated that all INR services will be temporarily suspended from July 31st following the new crypto regulations in India that came into effect on July 1st and intend to collect 1% tax deducted at source on crypto trades. This new bank, which also allows fiat crypto trading, is the only one in the world that supports US dollars and the Indian rupee. Now it only offers USD and crypto-to-crypto trades. The exchange, while advising clients to withdraw any rupee balance they have on the platform, said it would convert the remaining INR funds into users' wallet to USDT, known as Tether stablecoin. The US Treasury Department published a document outlining how it could work with foreign regulators to address the cryptocurrency sector. According to the sheet, the framework's policy objectives include reducing the potential use of crypto for illicit finance, promoting access to financial services, supporting technological advancement, and reinforcing US leadership in the global financial system. The United States will promote the adoption and implementation of international standards through bilateral and regional engagements. The United States will seek to ensure a coordinated message, limit duplication, and encourage that work is maintained within its primary stakeholders, the document said. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.